经来到旧金山，请保持安全带系好，不要打开行李架，直到系好安全带指示灯熄灭。飞机滑行期间，请不要接听电话，以免打扰其他旅客。下机前，请您再次检查座椅周围，确认已携带好所有随身物品。请留意美国机场当局的规定，在候机室的大部分区域，请不要使用移动电话，具体包括海关、移民局卫生检疫区、行李安检区域及在联检区域接受政府公务员询问的时候。感谢您搭乘天河联盟成员中国东方航空班机，下次旅途再会。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to San Francisco. Please do not open the overhead compartment and keep your seatbelt fastened until a sign is off. To avoid disturbing other passengers, please do not answer your phone while the plane is still taxiing. Before leaving the aircraft, please be sure to take all your belongings with you. According to the requirements of the United States Airport Authority, mobile phones are not to be used when you are going through the immigration and customs procedures